On this video today, I'm going to show you a new free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that you can use it to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best product that you can promote and the best free traffic source that you can use to promote the product to earn money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join wherever you are in the world. You can join Max Bounty, you can join ClickBank, you can join Digistore24, you can join Warrior Plus. There are a lot of different affiliate marketing networks that you can join to promote products. In this case, we are using Digistore24. If Digistore24 is not allowed in your country, you can use other networks and then follow these same steps so that you can be making money from home. So once you have joined any affiliate network that you want, what you have to do is that you have to go to the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. On Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Any category that you want, you can click on it and then find a digital product that you can promote. You can see right here, this is a digital product, the ultimate keto meal plan. If you promote it and get a sale, you are going to be earning $15.92. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. There are a lot of different categories. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want to promote digital products, you can promote events and seminars. So when you click on events and seminars, there are a lot of different products that you can promote. As you can see, under the events and seminars, you can see they have leadership events and seminars, they have online marketing events and seminars, real estate events and seminars, sales training events and seminars. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then get an event or a seminar that you can promote to earn money. In this case, we are going to be promoting a physical product. You can see physical products. They also have services, but we are not going to be promoting a service. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote a physical product. So click on physical products. Once you click on it, you can see they have skincare products, supplements. We are going to be promoting a supplement, so click on supplements. Once you click on supplements, you are going to see a page like this. You can see the products are arranged based on their popularity. Under the supplement, you can see this is the product that is most popular, and you can see the commission rate is $104.50. You can see it right here. If you promote it and get a sale, that is the amount that you are going to earn. As I scroll down, you can see many other products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see many products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want to promote any of these products, you can click on page 2 and then find other products. Once you click on the page 2, when you scroll down, you can see Vital Force. This product is also popular, and you can see the commission rate is $157.13. There are a lot of them. Let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see the next one, we are going to be earning $32.92. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see the next one, natural teeth whitener. You are going to be earning $75 per every sale that you get. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see the next one, you are going to be earning $41.80 per every sale that you get. There are a whole lot of them, so you can go through the products and then select the one that you want to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting this of a Vital Force. The popularity is very high. You can see it has 5-star rating and the commission rate is good, $157.13. Now once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to get some basic information about it. To get some basic information about the product, you have to click on the sales page. So click on it. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is the landing page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. You can see it has been registered by the Food and Drugs Authority. You can see it right here. So this product is trustworthy. If you promote it, you are going to be getting people who will buy the product for you to earn money. You can see a lot of different information about the product. What you have to do is that you have to take the time and read all this information so that you can begin promoting it. You can see they have the product in several packages. The first package is $99 per bottle. The second package is $49 per bottle. and the third one is $66 per bottle. So it depends on the options that your potential visitor will choose. Any of them that they choose, you are still going to be earning a commission. So now once you have gotten to know the basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you have to click right here so that you can get your affiliate link. If you have not promoted the product before, you are going to see something like promote now. Once you see something like that, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link like this. Now once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people to buy the product for you to make money. You can use a paid traffic source to get people to click on your affiliate link, or you can use a free traffic source to get people to click on your affiliate link. If you are a beginner without money, what you have to do is that you have to use the free traffic source so that you can then be using the paid traffic source. If you have a low budget, do not use the paid traffic because you are going to be wasting your money. Few clicks does not guarantee sales. So if you use your small money to get some few clicks, maybe you might not get a sale and you have wasted the money. So make sure you use the free traffic source. Once you make the sales, you can then be using the paid traffic source. But if you have the money, the best thing is that you have to use the paid traffic source so that you can be getting results very fast. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is free. The name of the website is classifiesforfree.com. You are not going to be paying for anything to post an ad on this website, and the best part is that the traffic is coming from the United States. Majority of the people who visit this website are from the United States, so you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. That is the good thing about this website. You don't need to pay for anything to post an ad onto the platform. You can see right here in the United States, you can see the various states that you can post your ad in the United States. You can see these are states in the United States. Apart from the United States, if you want to post to any country, you can select it and then post your ad. You can see they have Argentina, New Zealand, Australia. You can see United Kingdom, Canada. Any country that you want, you can use this website to post your ad onto that country. In this case, we are going to be posting to people who live in the United States. So the first step is that you have to create an account so that you can post your ad. To create an account, you are going to click right here, register. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your details so that you can get access to an account. You have to enter your username, enter your password, repeat your password, your email address, the home page URL. You can leave it. Once that is done, you are going to enter your last name, first name, click on register so that you can get access to a free account. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to run ads on this website. So let me log in for it. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to begin posting your ads onto the platform. You can see other people are posting different ads onto the platform, so you can equally post an ad onto the platform to get people to click on your affiliate link. To post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post ad. Once you click on it, you have to close this ad so that you can enter the details of your ad. You can see right here you have to select to post in the United States. So any state that you want in the United States, you can click on it and then post to only that state. In this case, we are posting to all states, so leave it. You can see it is optional. Once that is done, you can see select to post in a US city. If you want to post to any city in the United States, what you have to do is that you have to first of all select the state before you select the city. But in this case, we have not selected any state, so we can select a city. Once that is done, you can see select to post in outside USA. So if you want to post outside the United States, you can click on it and then select your preferred country. But in this case, we are going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see select to post in a world city. So once you have selected a different country right here, what you have to do is that you have to click on it and then select a city in that country that you want to post. But in this case, we have not selected any country, so just leave it like that. If you leave it at a default, your ad is going to be posted in the United States. You can see it, so we are going to leave it like this. We want to post in the United States. Once that is done, you can see header. You have to enter the title of your ad here. What you have to do is that you have to come back on the land page of the product. Once you come back, you can see right here, boost your immune system with the Vital Force pills. So highlight and copy that as your ad title. Once that is done, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see category, you have to click on it and then select the right category. In this case, you are posting a health product, so you have to search for health. You can see healthcare, click on it. Once you select healthcare, you can see contact email. You have to enter your email address right here. Once you enter your email address, if you want, you can enter your phone number right here. But in this case, I'm not going to enter my phone number, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see manufacturer. If you want to enter the one who made the product, you can do that. You can come back on the landing page and then search for the manufacturer. In this case, I'm going to just type any name there. So let's say Vital Force, something like this, Vital Force. Once that is done, you can see model. You can enter that, but I'm not going to enter anything like that. You can see year. If you want to get the year that the product was made, you can come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you can see right here, created 17 weeks ago. So it means the product was created in 2023. So you have to come back. Once you come back, type 2023. Once that is done, you can see price. You have to enter the price of the product here. To get the price of the product, you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you can see price, average price is this amount. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is the description. So you have to paste the description of the product right here. To get a description of the product, you have to come back on the landing page, highlight and copy this information as your description, because this information talks about the product. We just want people to click on it so that they can get more information about it. This information is enough to get people to click on our link, so just copy this. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. You can see the price field must be a number, so let's delete the dollar sign. So let's delete it. Once you paste your description, you can see web page URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is my affiliate link. Once you paste your affiliate link, if you have a YouTube video of you reviewing the product, you can paste it right here. In this case, I don't have any video about the product, so I'm not going to enter anything here. Once that is done, you can see select an image from galleries. In this case, we don't have any gallery, we don't have any image, so you have to search for images of the product. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google, search for Vital Force. Once that is done, select images. Once you select images, you can see this is an image of the product. This is an image of the product. Just download as many as you want. To download the image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image so that you can save the image of the product. You can see it right here. Click on save. Once that is done, go to another image, right click on it, select save images. Once that is done, we are going to click on save. So just save as many images as you want. You can see many images. Just select the one that you want. So as you can see, save images, and then click on save. Once you save the images of the product, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see click browse to upload an image to your gallery. So click on choose files. Once you click on it, you can see these are my images. Select it, click on open so that the image can be uploaded right here. You can see it is here. Click on upload image. You can see uploading image. It is going to be uploaded to your gallery, so just wait for it to upload. Once that is done, you are going to click on upload. So you have to upload all the images that you want to use in your ad. You can see these are the images. They have not fully uploaded. You can see them right here. Once you have your images, the next step is that you are going to post the ad. So click here, post ad. Once you click on post ad, you can see the following ad posted successfully. You can see it right here. This is your ad ID, and this is the title of your ad. This is the description. This is your affiliate link. This is your email, the name of the manufacturer. So all the details are alright. You can see everything. If you want to post another ad, you are going to click right here so that you can post another ad. What I suggest is that you have to keep on posting different products on Digistore24 onto this platform. Do not post the same product over and over. If you do so, they are going to mark it as a duplicate. So make sure you keep on posting different products and the different categories onto the platform so that you can be getting results. Apart from promoting affiliate products, you can also create your own digital product and then sell it online. You don't need any skills to do it. You don't need any experience to do it. You don't need to invest any money. Everything is free. So I've written this book showing you step by step on how you can create your own digital product and then sell it online. One good thing about digital info products is that you can sell it at any price that you want. It is your own product. Any way that you want to sell it, you can do so. You can even recruit affiliates to sell it on your behalf, and you are going to be making money. I've decided to reduce the price to $2.49. In the coming weeks, I'm going to increase it to the normal price, $13.92. You can see it right here. So make sure you take action now so that you can get access to this book. To get access to the book, what you have to do is that you have to check at the description of this video. Click on this link. Once you click on this link, it is going to take you to the product landing page. Once you are on the product landing page, click on download now. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your details so that you can get access to the ebook. Make sure you download your copy now before I increase the price. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.